Hello all. In this video, we will study functions and storage classes in C with the help of an example. The question is taken from GET CSE exam. So here is the question, right? We wish to know what is the output of the given program. Okay. So let us see. When we execute this program, we have a static global memory area, right? And we do also have a runtime stack, okay, which is internally used by the language, right? Runtime stack. Okay, before main gets control, memory for this global x will be allocated and it gets initial value 10. So we have a global x with initial value 10. Okay, then execution will begin from main. So we declare a variable x in main with value 1. So we have mains x with value 1. Okay, now this is the statement which we are supposed to execute. Okay, right. So let me write this statement over here. Okay, the statement says x is equal to x plus call to f1, right, plus call to f2 plus call to f3 plus call to f2, right? So this is the statement which we want to execute. Okay, so now we know that we wish to have x is equal to x. What is the value of x? This x is a local x which is defined in main and its value is 1. So x is equal to 1 plus, right? Now we call this function f1. Okay, so then we have f1's x with initial value 25. So here is f1's x with value 25. Okay, we increment that variable by 1, so that value happens to be 26, and then we return that value as 26. So this output is 26. Okay, f1 returns 26. Then now let's see what f2 returns. Okay, now for f2 we have a static storage class variable which is initialized with value 50. Since it is a static storage class variable, memory for this variable will be on static global memory area. So this is a static x with value 50. Now this static x is only visible in function f2 because it is declared in f2. So f2 is trying to increment the value of x by 1, so that happens to be 51. Okay, and we return that value also. So here we return 51. So f2 returns 51. Then we call f3. Now f3 does not have any declaration for x, as you can see, right? f3 does not have any declaration for x. It simply multiplies x by 10. Which x it will access? The global x, because x is not declared in f3. So f3 will have access to the global x. So it is actually x is equal to x into 10. What is our global x? Global x is 10. So 10 into 10, that is 100. So global x becomes 100. Okay, I hope you understood this. X is 10 into 10, global x will be modified, and then we are going to return that value which is 100. Okay, and then finally we are again calling f2. Now second time when we call this function f2, we did not create this static variable, because static variable, once they are created, they will remain there until program exits. So this statement creates static variable x. It is already created, so this statement will not be executed. Control will directly come to x plus plus. So x plus plus will make it 52. and then we return that value 52, so that happens to be over here. Okay, so now this output happens to be, this would be 52 plus 52, 104, 104 plus 100 plus 26, right? So that happens to 204 plus 26, right? And that happens to be 230, right? So this program will output 230. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Thank you.